install a wire manager, we need to align the spine into the aluminium extrusion so that it does not rotate. We use an M4x8 bolt and an M4 drop-in nut. The M4 bolt goes into the hole on the wire manager, pushes through, and attaching the drop-in nut a few turns. Do not turn all the way. We need it to have a bit of slack. I align it exactly with the spine of the wire manager and position it so that it now drops into the aluminium slot. Grabbing our Allen key or hex key, we find the head of the bolt and turn. This will turn the nut and engage on the aluminium. We now have a secure wire manager fitting. To undo, we once again put the Allen key in, we unscrew, that releases the nut and allows us to pull it out. To pop back in, we loosen a few turns, position once again in the slot of the aluminium extrusion, hold the wire manager, turn several times until the nut engages. Job done.